Hi everyone, I'm Martin and welcome back to Donnington Castle Model Railway. Now today is just a short video to give you a heads up about the upcoming Newbury Model Railway Club exhibition. That will be held at St Bart's School in Newbury here in the UK on Saturday the 2nd of November. I personally think that this show is great because it's aimed at two different audiences. Firstly, the people of Newbury really get behind the club and enjoy coming out to the exhibition every year. So we get lots of families, lots of excited kids, and hopefully we're in some small way doing our part to help it kind of inspire and kind of excite the next generation about model railways. But at the same time, we also get a great number of very serious railway modelers come along because of the quality of the layouts. And I think that's kind of a real testament to the exhibitors who come along. The aim of the exhibition is always to showcase as many different scales as possible, but also to have a wide range of layouts that are sort of something of interest for everyone, from things that are very much based on the local area right through to things from all around the world. So no matter whether you're just want to come and have a fun day out or whether you actually want to come and kind of really enjoy the layouts, to kind of explore the various traders and to talk to some of the charities and other organisations that we get along to the layout, that I really would recommend it. It runs from 10 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. I'm going to put details from the club's website in the Show More tab, so please do have a look at that. There is also a club stand where members of the club are able to sell some models and various other bits and pieces. But there was the opportunity, if you would like to sell some of your own models or accessories, then please do bring them along. Do have a look on the club's website because there's a form that you'll need to fill in. And also remember the club will take a 10% commission on anything that they sell. But it's a great way of supporting the club and also maybe earning a few extra pounds from some of the kind of models and things that you don't need anymore. Also this year, there are going to be some laser cut items for sale. The kind of things that feature on the layout here, but also on our Lambourn layout. So please do come check those out. And I will be there all day. I will be operating the Lambourn layout. So if you do come along, please do come and say hello. Operating Lambourn is really interesting because we find that there are lots of people who are interested in the layout, but also in the fiddle yard. Now, many of you will have seen the cassette system that I built specifically for that layout, and I'll link a video up there for you if you haven't. So people do like to come and have a nose around the fiddle yard and kind of see that in action, which is a great thing to be able to chat about. And then also people come very much to enjoy the layout itself, and that now features my own version of Lambourn Station, which again, you would have seen a video of me making on the channel. And I'll link to that up there again, which is going to be the template of half of the station buildings on the heritage line here on my layout. So if you want to come and take a look at that, then please do come along, say hello, and enjoy the rest of the exhibition. So just to recap, the exhibition is on Saturday the 2nd of November between 10 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. and that's at St Bart's School in Newbury. And that's really easy to get to by public transport. It's quite close to the station, and also easy to get to if you're driving. So I hope to see some of you there. It'd be great to meet more of the people who watch the channel. And I will certainly be back with another video soon. For those of you who saw the layout update, I have been working on the areas that I said I'd be working on. So there is track laying going on, the retaining wall is being worked on, and the station on the heritage line is also starting to move forward as well. So I hope to see some of you at the exhibition, but for those of you who can't make it, please do pop back and watch the upcoming videos and you'll see lots of progress on the layout. But thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you all soon. Bye-bye.